I'm a precious metals guy. I see precious metals as the sure thing. They do an accounting of the expansion of the currency supply, and they're a safe haven asset. And you get into these brief periods of time where they're both a safe haven and they have the greatest potential gains in absolute purchasing power. But to ignore the most historic thing that has happened to money in 5,000 years and not reporting on it would be doing everybody a disservice. So from now on, I'm going to make a commitment, no matter how much people hate it, I'm still going to talk about cryptocurrencies once in a while. You know, I've interviewed a lot of people in my sector, and a lot of people would badmouth cryptocurrencies, and I got the impression they were doing it because it was a threat to their own source of income, that they saw it as something that competes, and they didn't want to recommend something that could threaten their specific business. And either that, or when they would say that it's a fad and it's going away or it's in a bubble, then I would know that if they weren't trying to defend their own business, then I would know that they were ignorant of the subject and they really didn't know anything about it, yet they were commenting on it.